evening, my YouTubers. I am Techie Demos with Mary. You can go like, comment, and subscribe to my previous videos I have uploaded already. So, first of all, I just want to say happy holidays to my YouTubers. Christmas is next week, Monday, and Christmas Eve is on Sunday. Not this Sunday, but the upcoming Sunday. So I was just giving a shout out to that. And this evening, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a Christmas design on Adobe Express. So what Adobe Express is where I'm going to say in my words is like Canva. The only thing about it is that it has a different display format. But other than that, that's my only difference between Canva.com and Adobe Express. So right now, as you can see, this is the home screen of Adobe Express. And just a quick hint, you can go download this on your Windows 10 and 11 laptop, and you will look up Adobe Express in the store, and it's free to download, and you can sign up for it if you're new. And then if you want to use the premium features of Adobe Express, then they have subscriptions available as well for a premium member. Okay, so right now we are on the home screen of Adobe Express, and what we're going to do, I want to try this because this is maybe like my second or third time using Adobe Express. So with this, we're going to create a Christmas design for a t-shirt. Okay, so if you click here where the plus button is, Adobe Express have variety of sizes and what the purposes are. So whether it's a flyer, they'll tell you the size right here. And that's what I like about it. A logo, a Facebook post. Okay. That's what I like about Adobe Express for this part. So we're going to keep scrolling until we see the word t-shirts, and look what you have available here. Like, there's a lot you can choose from this create panel. So we're going to click on t-shirts right now. Okay. And it's loading. Okay. So we have our format for t-shirt design. And since, next week is Christmas, I wanted to do a Christmas design. Okay. And I'm going to just show you around on how to edit, changing colors. Okay. So as you can see, the background color is white. So if you click up here where it says background color, they have recommended colors right here. And also when you click on custom, you can change it to any color you want. So if I do, let's say green, and as you can see, the background color is changing. Okay. So I'm going to leave it right here. Okay. And I'm going to exit out of it. And now your background color is green. Now what I'm going to add, we're going to have some text here. We're going to have um a graphic, okay, and see how it looks from there. Right now I'm going to do text right now. And you're going to click on add your text in the blue box. Exit out of that. And then click it twice, backspace. And I'm going to put the words, or actually type the words, Merry Christmas. And then this is going to be the first part, okay? So I want to have it up here at the top. And that purple line that you're seeing, that's called your, in my words, margin. Like to help you place your design in the right spot, make sure it's in the correct area. But it's up to you how you want it and placed. I'm gonna leave mine right there. Let's see, yeah. I'm gonna move it up a little bit more. Okay, that's fine right there. So we have the words Merry Christmas, right? So I'm gonna go here where it says elements. And I'm gonna look up Christmas tree. I'm gonna click on that. And as you can see, Adobe Express have templates that you can use. So I'm just scrolling through to show y'all what ones that they have. But put in the comments below, what are y'all doing for Christmas? Whether it's making, Christmas dinner, family members is showing up for the holiday. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll back up right now, and I want to look up reindeer. Typing too fast. Okay, reindeer, enter. So as you can see, you have a cartoon reindeer. You have some that's real 3D. Okay. So kind of loading slow on my part. So right now I'm gonna just choose one for right now. And as you can see, it also show how many Adobe has available. So they have 68 results in a reindeer. So I really like this one. Okay. So I'm going to exit out of this. And then what we're going to do right now is click on the image. Okay. And what we're going to do is zoom out. Okay. Now, when it comes to designing, because you don't have to be perfect at everything, you know what I mean? As long as it looks good, then you'll be fine. You don't have to be a graphic designer or a freelance designer to make this kind of stuff. You know, like they say, practice make perfect. So, okay, so we have our image. Okay, so this is just an example video of what I'm doing. And then I'm going to add one more text. So if you click on text right here on the left side, add your text. It'll pull up a text box. I'm going to exit out of here first. And then you're going to take your text, and you see these 4 arrows. That means you can move it. So I'm going to take the add your new text. I'm going to exit out of here. And then I'm going to click on it twice to edit. Okay. So the word is going to be everyone. Okay. Now, we got that together. So the text where it says everyone, as you can see, is kind of bunched up. So what I'm going to do is just fix it. Basically, I'm just fixing it to my own preference right now. And I'm going to move Merry Christmas up just a little bit. And the image a little bit. Just to make sure, like I said, in my preference, it looks all right. I don't know why I keep moving. I guess since I'm on the text, it wants to, thinking I'm editing right now. Okay. So tell me what y'all think so far. Don't worry, we still have more to do. So I want to add a couple of more elements on both sides of this reindeer. And what I'm going to do for the reindeer, I'm going to shrink it a little bit. Okay. And that's called cropping, by the way. You're cropping your image, whether it's zooming in or zooming out. Okay. So I'm going to do the text first. So if you click the text, all right. And what I want to do is I'm going to arch this text. So text, up under text layout, you have default, dynamic, circle, arch, and bow. So I'm going to arch Merry Christmas. And as you can see, it changed. Okay. And then what I'm going to do with Merry Christmas, I'm going to bring that down where the reindeer is. Let's see. Okay. Just getting it together right now. Because this is what I did before, and I kind of like the format of it. And then everyone, I just want to see how it'll look in a bold text layout. So basically, it's smaller than the arch. So that's kind of different. So I'm going to leave that as default for right now. Um, okay. And then for Merry Christmas, I also want to um do the outline of this. So if the letters is black, since I want to do a Christmas theme, I want to make the outline of this red. So in order for me to make it red, you'll have to use the scaler for the outline thickness. So let's say if I do 50 for the outline, you can see the color is gray. So if you see outline, that's the color of your outline. If you see fill, that's the black text of Merry Christmas. So I like how Adobe Express give you more details on which one is what. So we're going to change the outline. Instead of gray, we're going to use the color red. So as you can see, I'm moving the scalar to the color red. So as you can see, my outline is red. I'm going to exit out of that. And then let's say for the fill, I change it to the color white. So swatches, okay, that's basically your color panel or what Adobe recommend down here, but you can also custom it as well to anything you want. So for fill, I'm gonna put it for white, and look what I just did. It changed, and I like how the red and white, it reminds me of a candy cane, the peppermint. So I'm gonna do this to everyone as well. So fill is white, and then exit, and then our outline is going to be red. But before you do that, go to outline thickness and change it to 50. Okay, so outline, as you can see, is the color light gray. Custom, we want it to the color red, like Merry Christmas is. So I went all the way to the end, to the top, and dragged it. So as you can see, it changed. So tell me what y'all think so far. Do y'all like it? This is just, like I said, the demo on how to just create something that came up in my mind this week. Since Christmas is next week, I'm like, let me just, teach a demo on how to create a t-shirt design for Christmas. Okay, so I like that. And then I'm going to just move Merry Christmas a little bit up, because what I'm going to do is add, no, not the reindeer, because I want to add a couple of elements to this. Okay. But tell me what y'all think so far in the comments below. And let's see. So elements. And then presents. That represents Christmas as well. So I like these right here. So I'm going to click on these. I didn't see anything come up yet. Let me try it again. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to show y'all a trick real quick too with the element I just added. So I'm going to zoom in right now and put it to where I like. Okay. So with this, what you can do instead of going back to elements and like, searching it, if you want to have the same element, what you do is right click and it's called duplicate. And you can use your keyboard, Ctrl Ctrl+D. Okay, the D represents duplicate. That means making the same image the same way, the same size. So I have two Christmas presents right here. So that's basically what I wanted to do. And and then for the background, I want to show y'all another thing. So if I went to swatches and just changed it to white, look how it looks right now. I would recommend putting this on a black t-shirt because it don't have a color background. But if that green background I just had, was for this, then that will be totally different. But I liked it how it was on the color white side because it blends in with the red. And I'm going to show one more color, custom. So if you go to blue, so blue is another color for Christmas, So like that color blue, like if you have a blue shirt, I would recommend using the blue background. Or if you got a black shirt, use a black background, like to blend it in. Because sometimes if you use a background with a different color for a shirt, it may not come out right like you thought. So, but yeah, I like that swatches to color white. It really blends in with my Merry Christmas everyone. It matches that the theme. So tell me what y'all think in the comments below. And one more thing I want to show y'all. Every time you do a project, name your project. So if you go up here to the left where the Adobe Express icon is, logo, I should say, you can click here, backspace on your laptop, and you put the name of your assignment or your project here. So for an example, this is going to be my Merry Christmas everyone t-shirt design. And then when you do this, you can also download this to your Windows 10 and 11 file folder. So I'm going to show you that as well. So if you click out of it, the title is right here as I named it. Okay. So if you are finished, you can go down here to download. But in order for you to download this, you will have to get the Adobe Express subscription because I tried doing it for free. That didn't work for me because I already used it before. But if you knew, they'll give you like a trial, and then after that trial, then you have to pay for the subscription, the membership. So some of the stuff I couldn't access to because, like I said, I would have to have the subscription. So right here we're on download. The file format um is PNG, best for images. Okay, and that's what they recommend. But if you click it, they have also PDF, and they tell you what is best for. So best for document, and JPG is best for small file sizes. So ours is just going to be PNG because this is an image. Okay. And what we're going to do now is download it. And it's working, optimizing, and it's almost complete. And now it's pulling up on my end. So as you can see, Merry Christmas everyone t-shirt design PNG. Okay. So if you want this saved to your folder, you got to click show in folder. So if you click this real quick, as you can see, it's right here up under my home. Okay. Don't mind the other stuff that's here on my downloads. That's just some stuff I've been working on. But here, this is what we worked on. They give you the date that's modified, at what time, so you can know which design is what, at what date, at what time, and also what type of file this is. This is a PNG file. Okay. So basically, this is all that I had to show y'all for tonight. I thank you so much for watching and participating. I will be doing more demos soon. Happy holidays to my YouTubers. Be safe.